GoPro and DJI are taking a shot at the FPV drone market, and Insta360 has entered the arena with the Sphere. It's a 360 camera that attaches to your drone and creates 360 drone videos without the hassle. So what's up with the Insta360 Sphere, and how good is it? Watch today's video to find out. Insta360 has a different take on the FPV drones market. The Sphere is a camera but not for DIY enthusiasts, and it's most certainly not a full drone. So, what is it and who is it for? You can think of the Sphere as a camera accessory that attaches to the DJI Air 2 and Air 2S. But that's not new. Recording FPV footage and editing them in post is something everyone does. So, how's it different? The first difference is that you don't need an FPV drone to use it. Piloting such drones can be difficult for beginners, as it can feel disorienting. But with the help of Sphere, you don't need to pilot an FPV drone, and since it's 360 degrees, you get footage from every direction. The magic of 360 footage lies in the editor's capability to seamlessly stitch the videos, but at times, it can be challenging to make the shots perfectly seamless. Insta360 Sphere takes care of that too. Their proprietary stitching algorithm ensures no blades can be seen and gives you the power to easily create different effects from different angles. The best part is that everything is done in their Insta360 app or studio desktop, so you don't have to be the best drone pilot for jaw-dropping action scenes. Instead, you can record a sequence, throw it in the app, and just let Insta360's algorithm do the rest. Besides its AI capabilities, the Sphere also comes with flow-state stabilization technology, ensuring smooth cinematic footage every time. Now, let's talk about the camera. You're getting two 35mm cameras. The camera setup straps onto your drone with an ultra-secure locking mechanism. The setup weighs 192 grams with the batteries and can record for a whopping 48 minutes. For charging, it uses a USB-C connection and can be fully charged in a little over an hour. As for its recording capabilities, it can shoot up to 5K 30fps at 100 megabit per second. It also packs support for lock profiles, so professional color correction will be easier. Insta360 Sphere gives you total creative freedom. You can fly the drone without having to worry about getting the footage. And then when you're done, you can use a sequence, mix the effects you want, and your masterpiece is ready for the world. So, that was all about the Insta360 Sphere, a next-level FPV camera that simplifies the recording and editing process. What do you think? Do let us know in the comments below, and as always, thank you for watching and consider subscribing if you want to see more videos like this.